So this just showed up, and honestly, the process on getting it was actually pretty simple. And when I saw it was available at my address, I had to try it. So today, we're unboxing it, setting it up, and I'll show you how easy or not easy this is. All right, moving over to the box. Inside the box, we have the home internet router. Right here. We have a setup guide. We have another box here. This includes the power cable and that's it. Yep, there's no technician in the box. And there's a recap of everything. Let's see how the setup actually goes. On the actual order email from Visible, it says, when you receive your gateway, sign into your account to begin activation. We're going to go ahead and use the app, the Visible app on the phone. We're going to go ahead and launch the Visible app here. Then we're going to go ahead and go into account at the bottom. And then right here at the top, it says activate your home internet gateway. Click here to activate your gateway. All right, we're activating your service. It says gateway activated and ready to set up. So that took about 30 seconds to finish. And now it says the gateway is activated and ready to set up. Now it shows to plug it in. All right, we're plugged in here. Now it says check for a solid white light. So right now the router is currently blinking. And the app says the router blinking white light means it's starting up. The light may fluctuate between red and white for up to 10 minutes. Don't unplug it. All right, so that took about 2 to 3 minutes. And we have a solid white light. So we're going to continue to step 3. It says connect your devices. So we're going to use the Wi-Fi name and password located on the bottom of the router. So at the bottom here, you're going to have a little sheet of paper, and that's going to have the Wi-Fi information on there. All right, we're now connected and up and running. I genuinely thought I'd have to wait much longer for it to activate. The app did say it can take up to 10 minutes, but I was up and running within 2 to 3 minutes. I just went into the app, hit activate, plugged it in, and I'm up and running. Now let's go ahead and run a quick, simple speed test, shall we? All right, here we go. Verizon 5G home internet. Wow. Now, the speeds for this, yep, you can definitely see I am being throttled. They do say up to 200 megabits per second. But as you can see, the initial spike there means that I'm in a very good location for this. And honestly, this really isn't even that good of a location for the gateway. It's on my desk right now. So, first impressions. The setup, super simple. Activation, super easy. And honestly, this is definitely easier than a lot of the traditional internet setups that I've dealt with. This was just the unboxing and setup experience. The real question now is how is this going to perform long term with speed and reliability? So to answer that question, I'm going to be testing this over the next 30 to 60 days. I will be doing speed tests, real world usage, and even comparing it to Verizon's 5G home internet in the same house. So if you're thinking about trying out the Visible 5G home internet for yourself, make sure you're subscribed because I'm going to be putting this to the test. And if you haven't seen my full breakdown of Visible's 5G home internet yet, guys, I have that video right over there for you to watch next. So I'll see you over there.